In a world where the sea was woven with dreams, there lived a solitary razorbill named Rin. With shimmering blue feathers and a keen, intelligent gaze, Rin was unlike any other bird in the kingdom. One day, a mysterious storm swept across the sea, uprooting everything in its path. The storm raged for days, leaving the world in darkness and despair. Rin, perched on a rocky cliff, watched as his home crumbled around him. The storm subsided, and as the sun peeked from behind the clouds, Rin found himself standing alone on a barren island. His heart ached for the familiar sounds of the sea, but there was something else that tugged at him, something he couldn't quite comprehend. A voice echoed through the wind, whispering, "Seek the hidden gem, and your world shall be restored." The voice was familiar, yet foreign, and Rin knew he had to find it. He ventured forth, traveling across desolate landscapes, searching for the source of the voice. Days turned into weeks, and weeks into months. Rin's body grew weak, but his spirit remained strong. One day, he stumbled upon a hidden cave, shrouded in mist. Inside, he found a shimmering gem, glowing with an ethereal light. As he touched it, the gem pulsed with energy, and Rin felt a surge of warmth flow through him. Rin returned to the desolate island, and as he approached the shore, the sea began to return. Waves lapped at the shore, and the sounds of fish and seals filled the air. The world was being restored, just as the voice had promised. Rin shared the gem with his kin, and the sea was restored to its former glory. The storm had passed, and a new era of peace and prosperity began. Rin, the solitary razorbill, had saved his kingdom, and in doing so, he had found his purpose. The moral of the story is that even in the darkest times, hope can be found. It may be hidden, it may be difficult to find, but it is always there. And sometimes, it takes one small, brave bird to bring it forth.